Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kai Academy and I'm right here for you guys. This one is for my woman, but this is an amazing app that I have used like a couple months ago to lose weight and put it back again because I started eating like a horse in the pandemic during quarantine. So the name of this app, this amazing app is Lose Weight app for women. So I have downloaded and let's see how we're gonna be using it. So first of all, what we're going to do is this. We have to choose our plan. Like, do you want to lose weight and keep fit? Do you want to butt lift and tone? Let's choose. You want to lose belly fat? You want to build muscle and strength? I think I want to lose weight and keep fit. I'm gonna go with kg. I am 75. Let's go. What's my target weight? Is this? I think it's 60. Let's say next. How tall I am? I'm 70. Change starts today. Target BMI is 20.8. Right now I am 26, which makes me overweight. Am I that overweight? Yes, a bit. Yeah, but I have big shoulders though, so still okay. So let's say next. So what are we gonna do? Let's go to homepage first. So as you can see, this is our homepage. We have, maybe we don't like, we can start just like this. Let's say day one, start. You see all of the things you need to do. You go day one, you finish, you'd go day two, after that you have other days. And also maybe you don't have enough time but you need some fast workout. As you can see here, we have 2 to 7 minutes workout to do anytime, anywhere. We have our fat burning HIIT. We have our office workout. Let me do some office workout. Yes, go. You can unlock it once, but if you want to use it every day, you have to upgrade it, I believe. Okay, it's downloading right now. Let's go. So I have to do this. Okay. All right. I just want to see what I should be doing. All right. We have the animation. We have the video. If we don't know, if we didn't understand how to do it, we have our music, I guess. Okay, let's skip. We have 10 seconds in the skip. We have this. Yes, it helps. It makes me want to sleep though. Oh, amazing. Let's skip. In the office. I can do it at home, but in the office? Really? And we have this. We have this. We go skip again. I had sats. But it's because we haven't upgraded. If you don't want those things, let's get motivated. Remind yourself to work out daily. Okay, 8. Oh my god. Okay. So, alright. Well, how was it? Was it easy? How was it? I think it was not easy. It was normal. Okay. So, let's go. And let's go to plan still. Body focus, we have this full body, button, leg, abs and arm. You can just click on them and have your thing right there. You can also track your water consuming, which I think is, let me drink. Okay, I've drink one. I've drink two actually today. Okay, done. So this is how it is. So let's see, what is this banana? Oh, oh, yeah, I didn't understand what was this banana, but okay, let's go to reports. So from here, we see how many calories we burned in total, how many workouts we've done, duration. We have our history. For example, I did it today. If I have done it on Saturday too, I could have chosen it. So, and from here we actually, current weight is like this. So after some time, when we lose weight, this will go down and it will motivate us. And from here we can see that how big we are, like how BMI, how is our BMA, and it's saying I'm overweight. Yes, I am. I should lose some weight. And it's the best thing to be, I believe, is to be in this green area. If you want, if like, of course, the most important thing is to be healthy. Maybe you're feeling healthy just the way you are. For example, I don't. That's why I want to lose weight. So we can actually edit those things from here. We can change our weight. Then see. So we also have the profile, and we have our reminder. We have our sound options. We can sync it to Google Fit, as I will turn on the water tracker. My profile, you see. So if you're not using metric system, you can see how I am from here. I wish I was like 5'11" or something. It would be very good. We can share this with friends, or we have language options. And the best thing is you can restart the progress. It happens to me a lot. For example, I start, and if I don't do one day, I just give it away. I just put it away. So I wouldn't delete the app, then I would just come back and restart the progress, and I would just start again. And I think it's a good app to lose weight. I think the workouts are nice because I have actually seen them before you guys. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it. So I want to ask you one question that I want you guys to comment on. Do you think do you think that you need to lose weight? For example, you think that you need to lose weight. So, and what is the reason, or what makes you want to lose weight? Or maybe you want to put on weight. What makes you want to put on weight? Please let me know on the comments so I can be reading them. Don't forget to hit the click like button. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. So see you guys in my next videos.